I need to grow my account. It has 6 USD balance. It's very little, and I think I lack some skills and enough capital. That's all I have.
Okay, my friend, so I heard your question. So here is my answer to that. So first thing you need to understand that $6 is not a lot of money. It's actually a very little amount of money, which I wouldn't recommend you to put into the market. But since I quoted and you said that's all I have, so let me just give you some ideas of what can you do to grow $6 into a bigger amount of money. First of all, you need to understand and accept that you don't have enough capital, and your chances of succeeding with this is going to be very low. You might go to this channel, to my channel on YouTube, and you might hear me talking about grow small accounts, and you might even see some videos, but the truth is the odds of doing that is very low. That's why you see I don't do many of those videos, because for me to succeed with like a $10 account, it involves a lot of focus, it involves the skill, but most importantly it involves luck, because my trade is going to be based, my success or failure of growing that account is going to be based mostly on one or two of the first trades. If the first trade goes wrong, most of the time that's over, because you only have like 2 chances of flipping that and make something happen, right? So as you said, you only have $6. Number one, I want to say, if you only have that money, like it's only the only money that you have, do not put it into the market. Number two, do not borrow money to trade, and then take that $6 that you have, and then what you want to do is you want to find a strategy. I will leave a small I will leave you a link so that you can go and see the strategy that I would recommend, the strategy that can grow or double or triple your account if you put high risk. But what you want to do is you want to say, okay, $6, what can I do with $6? I can divide that by 2, and I have 2 chances of making something happen. So let's say you have that $6, you divide it by half, you have $3 on this trade and $3 on this trade. So now what you want to do is you want to watch the video, and then you want to understand the strategy, and you want to wait patiently until your entry comes. When the entry comes, you just want to place a trade and risk $3 on that trade, and if that trade goes in the right direction, do not exit that trade until you hit like $15 or more. Do not exit that trade until you hit $15 or more. You might say, okay, the market might reverse and come back to give you a loss. Of course, it will happen a lot, because you only have $6. You don't have many chances, and most of the time you are likely to just lose that money anyway. So you just want to hold it as long as possible, and then you place another trade with another $3. If the first one wins, you have like $15 in the market, right? And now you divide that by 4. So at first you have 2 chances, and if one of those 2 chances wins, you need to make like $15, so that in the next trade you divide your chances by 4. Now you place another trade with $3, in case the first one won, and then you try to do the same thing. If the first one loses, you place the trade with the last $3. If it loses, it's enough and you are done. You wait until you get another money to deposit. But if it wins, you want to hold that trade until it hits like $15, and if that happens, you can now have more chances. So that's how best you can be able to grow your small account from like $6 to like 20, 30, or even more. To watch the strategy that I did step by step, you can watch out the video that I will leave a link in the description. And if you're someone who didn't ask this question and watching this on YouTube, you can see the video popping on the screen right now. You can go there and watch the strategy that you can use to grow small accounts. So if you have any questions, just I will leave a link in the description so that you can also, you guys, ask any questions, and I will answer them through these short videos. Thank you for watching, and I hope that this answer is going to help you, man. I wish you the best, but the thing is, you don't have to trade with very small amounts of money. I know you might not have enough right now, but it's better for you to get like a prop firm account. That way you can even either learn or make a little bit of money, because trading very small accounts is going to just give you bad habits, and you are likely going to lose money in the future.